Johnson, bola Andy number 14, pass number 20, pass number 14 again, number 14, Sebastian, no good, rebound number 22, number 22, binababa, pass number 19, number 19, back to 22, back to 19, number 19, pass number 21, number 22, no good, rebound number 14. Number 16, pass to number 1. Number 1, take one, pass pala. Out of bounds, save ball. Number 20, 2 points. Number 21. Number 21, pass to number 24. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 19, number 19. Pass to number 7, take for 3 points. Number 26, 3 points. Number 26, puts the shot, no good. Take on the number 19. Number 19. With 2 seconds to shoot. Number 21, pass number 22. Number 24, goal, number 26. Number 14, pass number 16. Number 16, Mayan, no good. Now number 19. So let's go now. Number 7, pass number 22. Number 22, easy 2 points. Score 5-2 in favor of Vizela. Number 20, undefeated. Number 26, Jubilant wala airball. Nice job, 8-4 in favor of Vizela. Number 24, naghahanap ng papasahan sa malaksan, nahuli na number 1. Number 1 nagmamadali. Number 1, pinasa sa 16. Number 16 is 2 points. Ang score, 8-6. Dalawa na lang ng Green. Nahuli na naman number 14, pero nakakuha ng foul. Number 90, blocking foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Six minutes and 15 seconds. Out of bounds. Bola ng Vizela. Number 20, number 20, number 20, 26. Number 26, binalik sa 20, pass to number 16. Number 16, airball. Rebound to number 7, umikot. Pass to number 19, pinasa sa ilalim. Easy 2 points. Number 1, Tubira, moving the shot. It's good. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 19, pass to number 24, number 24. Tumatak, wala. Nakalimutan na number 16. Pass to number 1. Number 1, tumatak. It's good. Mandatory substitution. Change 5 change. Ang score 12-10. Dalawa ang lamang ng Miss Bella. Number 19, nagsisimula na yung tayo. Pass to number 1, pass to number 7, number 7, pass to number 9, pass to number 7, number 7, tuloy na 3, so good. 3,000, same ball. Out of bounds. Number 22, Hule. Number 22, Kumangga. Nahuli yata ulit. Rebound pa rin niya. Kanya pa rin ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. It's good. Number 09. Pass to number 7. Nakuha na number 21. Pass to number 09, number 09, pass to number 7. It's good. Ang score, 19-10. Lamang ang grade. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. So good. Lamang ang number 21 naman. Nakuha na number 09, number 09. Umikot. Number 09. Pass to number 22. Pero nakauwi. Out of bounds. Same ball. Undefeated. Back to the ball game. Number 7. Pushing foul. Number 22. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 1. Tumira ng press. 3 points. Number 09. Number 09. Back to number 21. Sumasak pero out of bounds. Black ball. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. traffic violation. Number 9. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 14, number 14. 3 points. Ang score, 19-16 in favor of Escuela. Number 21, Andrea, it's good. Number 9, Ulico. Number 9, Sumatsa. Kanyang bola. Number 14, pass to number 1. Number 1, Tumira Lopez. 3 points. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nahuli na number 14. Number 14. Lumaya. Wala. Rebound number 22. Pass to number 09. Pass to number 1. Nahuli na number 1. Number 21, Tumira. Tumira, nahuli. Nahuli na number 14. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 3. Number 3, Lumaya. It's good. Top level po ang score. Number 7, Adrian Press. No, di ba number 9, number 9, power the foul. Number 7, blocking foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. 30 seconds to play. 19 seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 3. 3 points. 17 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Number 21, it's good. 5 seconds to play. Basa na po ang marinig. Ang score 24-23. Lamang ang undefeated ng isa